You better step up and get control. Take this chance. Everything you want is attainable. Make your plan. You gotta figure out which way to go. Raise your hand. Tell me what's it gonna be, yes or no? You said you wanna get a break. Don't hesitate. Go today, can't wait for a better day. Move with speed, head into who you could be. Or just sit and miss an opportunity. Because it's here, don't let it disappear. If you slack off, it'll be your career. So get assertive and keep pressing. You know what to do when they ask the question. Raise your hand. You better step up and get control. Take this chance. Everything you want is attainable. Make your plan. You gotta figure out which way to go. Raise your hand. So what's it gonna be then? Yes or no? Woo! You gotta step up and take control. Come on. Everything you want is attainable. Is it gonna be a yes or another no? Will you take a rest or are you gonna go? We got to be assertive and leave no doubt. No matter how you word it, we're going all out. From the sunrise to the break of dawn, I smell it in the air, I feel it coming on. Let's get it happening with a bit of aggression. And you know what to do when they ask the question. Raise your hand. You better step up and get control. Take this chance. Everything you want is attainable. Make your plan. You gotta figure out which way to go. Raise your hand. So what's it gonna be then? Yes or no? Woo! Come on, you gotta step up and take control. Ha, ha, ha. Everything you want is attainable. Are you gonna make it happen today? Or will you just settle for another delay? Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Sit. Are you gonna wait and sit on your hands, or will you go and start making out a list of demands? Cause you can make it happen, so choose if it's your passion. Don't move and start attacking, don't lose out on the action. Seek the path, reach and grab all the right things that you need to have. Don't wait in good faith and accept delay. We'll step into debates till it gets too late. Now is the time, lay it all on the line till you break through the wall in your mind. Whatever's occurred, that's the past. So don't be deterred when I have to ask. Are you gonna make it happen today? Or will you just settle for another delay? Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Are you gonna make it happen today? Or will you just settle for another delay? Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, you need to make it happen now. It's time to groove and light the fuse, ignite and move. Why refuse? Cause if you really believe you want it to be more than a dream, you got to turn it into reality. So on a mission and we have begun the mission. All you need is some ambition, now you got to come and listen to me. It's time to grab the bull by the horn. Come on, this is why you were born. No more waiting around, man, you need to be determined that you're taking it now. Cause tomorrow ain't a given, so we need to get it driven, man. Hit the gas super fast, it's your decision. Are you gonna make it happen today? Or will you just settle for another delay? Come on, you got to make it happen now. Come on, you got to make it happen now. Are you gonna make it happen today? Or will you just settle for another delay? Come on, you got to make it happen now. Come on, you got to make it happen now. Woo! Make it happen today. Don't just settle for another delay. Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, make it happen now. Say, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, you gotta make it happen now. Come on, you gotta make it happen now.
I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great, recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours past and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Studying the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission.